All right, I'm getting ready to remove this caliper here. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate these palm ratchets again. These are really neat. Give a little something extra to grab on when the hand is just not enough. Oh, it's leaking. Okay, let's see how bad this one is. Down here. Okay, put that there. Let's fire it off and see what we got. Oh boy. Okay. I'm gonna stop it here. That is broke right there. That could be a bad sign, that being broke. But we're gonna stop it here.